My name's Nathan.
My name is Steph.
I'm Gary.
And I'm the marketing manager at Cruisecraft Boats.
And I am a fourth-year apprentice boat builder here at Cruisecraft.
I'm leading hand boat builder at Cruisecraft Boats.
I was originally a cabinet maker. The opportunity popped up for an apprenticeship to start at Cruisecraft Boats.
So I was working for a building company in admin before I started here.
Originally started my apprenticeship building aluminium boats. Then I transitioned into building fiberglass boats, which I've been doing for the last 22 years.
In recent times, I had the opportunity to move into a marketing role. I think that really represents the opportunities within this business.
What I love about this job is being hands-on, being able to make everything myself. Every single boat that I build here at Cruisecraft is hand-built by me. Every single bit of sanding, every screw, every bolt, everything done by me. And I think that's pretty special.
Not only did I learn to build a boat from the ground up, but I've gained skills that'll be with me for a lifetime.
I see myself finishing my apprenticeship and possibly becoming a marine mechanic to widen my skill set both in the marine industry and with Cruisecraft.
My skill sets have developed from working with like-minded people over the years. Collectively, I've worked at Cruisecraft for over 13 years. There's two guys who have ticked over 40 years and I'm coming in hot behind them.
Cruisecraft has been around for almost 76 years. It's not going anywhere, and neither am I.